What if an asteroid the size of a city hit Earth today? High above Earth, telescopes scan the night sky. Every day, scientists track thousands of near-Earth objects, asteroids that pass uncomfortably close to our planet. Most slip harmlessly by. But imagine this. Astronomers detect an asteroid nearly a kilometer wide, already on a collision course with Earth. Impact in just 6 months. What if it struck today? 1. The warning. First, the discovery spreads through the scientific community. Within hours, governments are briefed. NASA confirms the worst. The asteroid is too large for small deflection missions, and there isn't enough time to build a nuclear push or a gravity tractor mission to alter its course. Humanity has no choice. Prepare for impact. The world reacts with disbelief. Stock markets crash. Cities face panic buying as billions realize survival isn't guaranteed. 2. The approach. As weeks pass, the asteroid grows brighter in the night sky. News stations broadcast constant coverage. Conspiracy theories spread online. Some say governments are hiding bunkers for the elite. Others claim it's all a hoax. But the telescopes don't lie. A mountain of rock and iron is falling toward Earth at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. 3. The impact zone. Where would it strike? If it lands in the ocean, it would unleash mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high, wiping out coastal cities. If it strikes land, the fireball alone could vaporize an entire region. The shock wave would flatten buildings hundreds of kilometers away. Scientists estimate an asteroid this size would release energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. 4. The global consequences. But the true danger isn't just the blast. The impact would send dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight worldwide. Temperatures could drop for years. Crops would fail. Economists predict global famine, political collapse, and potentially billions of deaths. This isn't speculation. It has happened before. 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 10 kilometers wide struck what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The result? The extinction of the dinosaurs, along with 75% of all life on Earth. 5. Humanity's last days before impact. With days left before impact, governments face impossible choices. Some build bunkers deep underground, hoping to protect a fraction of the population. Others evacuate coastal cities or prepare for riots. Religious movements explode as people seek answers. Families cling together, knowing the sky will soon burn. 6. The moment of impact. The asteroid enters the atmosphere, glowing like a second sun. It strikes with unimaginable force. The ground shakes across continents. Skies darken. Fires rage for weeks. The Earth itself feels like it has stopped breathing. Those within thousands of kilometers of ground zero are gone instantly. For the rest of humanity, the struggle to survive begins in a world transformed into a frozen wasteland. 7. Could we survive? Some scientists believe small groups could survive underground or in remote regions, relying on stockpiled food and alternative energy. Over decades, humanity might rebuild. But civilization as we know it, cities, governments, global trade would vanish. The survivors would be left to start again from the ashes of a broken planet. So what if an asteroid the size of a city hit Earth today? Would you spend your last days with family accepting the inevitable? Would you try to fight for survival, stockpiling supplies and seeking shelter underground? Or would you cling to hope, believing science could save us even at the last second? Tell me in the comments, what would you do if you knew the world had only months left? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more terrifying what-if scenarios where science and imagination collide.